Welcome everyone to the Simon Says Stamp card kit reveal and inspiration for our latest card kit, Capture Joy. I'm going to walk you through this card kit, starting with the 6x8 stamp set Modern Scrapbook designed by Kathy Zelsky for the CZ Design brand. So we're going to start off with the large imagery, and we have some of these frames. So we have a large and a small frame. There's also some really cute washi tapes down on the side here, and also some little flowers, flower centers, hearts, and then some smaller washi tapes. There are several greetings that you can add, and I'll start with Say Cheese, I love the story of us, Happy Birthday, and then these little ones, The Best, Love This Face, Happy Days, My Fave, Miss This Face, So Cute. And then a little bit larger, Love Our Story, Remember This, You Make My Story Complete, Best Day Ever, Memories, I'm so glad we're friends. All of my happiest memories include you. We have truly had a life of joy. Best moment ever. And some little ones, Then and Now. We kind of rock. We age like fine wine. Here's to making more memories with you. And these little ones, Date and Logged, and those can fit in the washi tapes. Then we have Hope Your Birthday is One to Remember. So glad you're my person. And your cheesy grin is my very favorite. Along with this great stamp set, you're also going to get the coordinating dies. And this is the first time we've done this to give you a whole set. So you have all those words and also those little images with your frames. And you can put all these together. This is really a great value. Check out all the little details of all the dies that you can get and mix and match to complete your little Polaroid frames with some greetings onto your cards. You're loving our embossing folder, so we're including the Simon Says Stamp dot spiral. And this is a really interesting folder that has little tiny dots. This is a 3D embossing folder, so you get a couple levels of those dots to complete the design. So I'll get this up close so you can see how that looks and how those dots create those rings that work towards the center. Embossing folders are really easy to use. I just cut my paper in an A2 size, then I slide it into the folder, close this up, and then run it through my die cut machine to complete the embossing. Be sure to check with your machine settings to use for a 3D folder. We also have a pack of the Simon Says Stamp Joyful Memories Embellishment Mix. These are really beautiful pastel colors. There are several colors included, and they have that really beautiful sheen to them. They are not holographic, so it has that shine to them that really picks up on the light. Next up, we have two sheets of the Simple Stories Vintage Flower Shop 6x8, and these are rub-ons. Look at the beautiful images on here, and you can cut these out and rub them onto your pattern paper or your plain paper for all your little florals and even those large words and hearts and small florals. The second sheet features this gorgeous camera at the top, which is perfect for this Capture Joy theme, and it also has some really great words that you can add to your little Polaroid frames. It also comes with a little popsicle stick, and this will help you to burnish the rub-on into your paper. So how you'd want to do that, you can cut those out and then use some pressure to release that rub-on into the paper. Also in this kit, we're giving you an A2 acetate sheet. This is really great for creating some shaker cards and also some foam strips. The foam strips are pre-cut at 1/8 of an inch times 4 inches, and they're perfect for adding around your little frames to create your shakers. And now for the pattern papers. We have Simple Stories Vintage Flower Shop, and these are 6x8 papers. This one has those 4 panels you can cut up and put on your cards with a beautiful green background. Love this next one. It's a large bingo with that amazing camera. You can cut that out or add a portion of that to your card. And on the back side, it's like notebook paper with these little dainty flowers around the outside in those spring colors. This next one is a beautiful, really pale pink with flowers on top. And then the back side is a gorgeous golden motif, great for your backgrounds. Here's another 4-panel piece that you can cut up and put on your cards with some really great messages. And on the back side of this is a brown plaid. The next sheet features a large message, and this is Dream Among the Butterflies and Wildflowers, and it has those gorgeous butterflies to the right side. And on the back side of this is a collage piece with a lot of notebook and Polaroid little images. And the next sheet features a brown background with pink flowers and little green leaves. And on the back side is a really gorgeous motif that has those beige and whites. It's a really great neutral for your backgrounds. This next sheet is a really pale teal blue with some little flower bouquets on the front side. And then on the back side is a peachy orange plaid with brown, which is great for masculine cards. This next sheet features a really pale teal with some ledgers, and then the butterflies running down the left side. And on the back is a white wood panel. This next sheet features the little Polaroid frames with blocks of color in each and a few little flowers included. And then on the back side, it is a really pale blue, brown, and white plaid. This next sheet is all full of butterflies. It's got a really nice distressed look to the background of that. And on the back side is a lavender with polka dots. These are really sweet. They are little tags that have all those little messages and also the imagery that matches those rub-on sheets that are included. And on the back side is a brown, and it has super tiny colorful polka dots. And the final sheet has these panels that you can cut up. It even has little words off to the side that you can cut out and add on top. And the back side features that same motif in tone-on-tone greens. For our cardstocks and envelopes, we're including the Audrey Blue A2 envelope. It has that peel-away adhesive, so you don't have to lick it to stick it. And that will go with our 100-pound Audrey Blue cardstock. You get the full sheet. You also will get our glossy white cardstock, and this is perfect for using with your little Polaroid frames with that really beautiful finish. And then finally, 110-pound Nina Solar white cardstock that you can use for your card bases. And that completes the reveal of our Capture Joy card kit. That is quite a kit with all those goodies included. Next, I have some inspiration from our designers. I'll start you off with a card that I made featuring my grandpups, where I've created my frames using the pattern paper, and then I stamped all those cute little elements to put on top for a sweet birthday card. Nina Marie created a card where she cut up those pattern papers and then stacked them back together to create a gorgeous butterfly floral card. And then finally, Kelly created a Polaroid frame for a picture of her adorable daughter, and then used that rub-on that wood grain pattern paper, which really creates a beautiful element on our card. I have some links for you below on how to purchase this kit, plus a link to our blog post with additional inspiration. And before I go, I want to remind our subscribers that you can add items to the purchase of your kit at no additional shipping charges as long as you do it before 11 p.m. Central Time on May 15th. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration of this card kit, and as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.